Here's how you can make $10,000 a month selling on TikTok. So the first thing that we need to do is find a product to sell. And if you don't have experience finding products, you should try this. Go to the Discover page on TikTok and search for TikTok Made Me Buy It or Amazon Finds. You then want to click on the Videos tab, click the filter at the top right, and I usually like to select videos that have been posted within the past 3 months. From here, you can easily find a product to sell. Once you have a product, you want to try and find it on Alibaba.com. You can then place a small bulk order for your product from this website. This is what my first shipment looked like, and this is about $500 of product, but you can place a much smaller bulk order if this is your first time doing this. Once your product comes in, you want to sign up with Shopify.com and start building your online store. It's actually very simple to do, even if you don't have the experience. When it comes time to getting sales, you want to send your product to TikTok influencers. This is the message that I would send them. I highly recommend that you pause this and read it. And if you're curious who Sarah is, that is someone who works for my business. And as your sales start to come in, you want to make sure that you have these two things from Amazon. A shipping label printer, the one that I have is called the Dymo Label Writer 4XL, and bubble mailers to put your product in. You then just print out the shipping labels, put them on the packages, and drop them off at the post office. This is